Imagine having the power to view the unseen, to explore a world smaller than the width of a human hair. Welcome to the world of microscopy. This advanced tool has been instrumental in countless scientific breakthroughs, giving us a window into the intricate details of life and matter that exist beyond our naked eye. From its humble beginnings with simple glass lenses, microscopy has evolved over the centuries into a sophisticated field of study. The invention of the light microscope opened up a whole new world of small wonders, revealing the microscopic universe teeming with life. But even with all its magnifying prowess, the light microscope has its limitations. Enter electron microscopy, a game-changer in the world of microscopic exploration. This powerful tool has taken us beyond the limits of light microscopy, offering us a glimpse into the nano-universe. The electron microscope, unlike its light-based sibling, uses a beam of high-speed electrons instead of light to magnify the specimens. This shift in technology has allowed us to delve deeper than ever before, revealing structures as small as atoms. Electron microscopy has forever changed our perception of the micro-world. It has unveiled the intricate structures of cells, the complexity of viruses, and the fine details of materials at the nanoscale. It's like having a superpower, the ability to peek into the secret lives of atoms and molecules, uncovering the fundamental building blocks of life and matter. But the journey of electron microscopy is not just about viewing tiny structures. It's about understanding them, studying their behaviors, and utilizing this knowledge to make scientific advancements. From biology to material science, from medical research to nanotechnology, electron microscopy continues to play a pivotal role in pushing the boundaries of our understanding. Now you might be wondering, what makes electron microscopes so special? Let's dive deeper. Unlike traditional microscopes that use light, electron microscopes use a beam of high-speed electrons to examine objects on a very fine scale. Welcome to the world of the electron microscope, a remarkable instrument that allows us to venture into the realm of the incredibly small. But how does this amazing tool work? Let's break it down. At the heart of an electron microscope is the electron source. This is where electrons are generated either through thermionic emission, where heat is used to liberate electrons, or field emission, where a strong electric field pulls them out. These electrons are then accelerated to nearly the speed of light, giving them the wavelength they need to interact with nanoscale objects. Next we have the electron lenses. Unlike the glass lenses in a light microscope, electron lenses are magnetic fields designed to focus the electron beam onto the sample. Just as a magnifying glass focuses light onto a point, these lenses direct the electron beam to a specific spot on the sample. Now let's talk about the vacuum system. You see, air molecules would scatter the electrons, making it impossible to get a clear image. So electron microscopes operate in a vacuum, creating an environment where the electron beam can travel unimpeded. Then comes the sample holder, where the specimen is placed. This isn't as simple as just dropping a sample onto a slide though. Specimens for electron microscopy have to be carefully prepared, often coated or embedded in resin, to withstand the powerful electron beam in vacuum conditions. Finally, we have the detector. After the electron beam interacts with the sample, it produces signals that need to be detected and translated into an image. Different types of detectors, such as scintillation screens or CCD cameras, are used depending on what kind of information we're trying to extract from the sample. Understanding these components is the first step to unraveling the workings of an electron microscope. Each part plays a crucial role in allowing us to peer into the unseen nanoworld, revealing structures and details that would otherwise remain hidden from view. Now, let's put these components to work and see how an electron microscope brings the microscopic world into view. It all starts with the generation of electrons. These tiny particles, fired from the electron source, embark on a journey that will illuminate the unseen. The electron source, whether through thermionic emission or field emission, serves as the launch pad for this voyage. Once the electrons are generated, they are corralled and focused using magnetic lenses. Think of these as the lens of a camera, but instead of bending light, they're bending streams of electrons. This fine-tuning is critical to achieving the high-resolution images that electron microscopes are famous for. The electrons then travel down into the vacuum system. Why a vacuum, you may ask? Well, any air or gas particles in the way could scatter our electrons, distorting the image. So we create a vacuum to give our electrons a clear path. Next, the electrons meet the sample. This is where the magic happens. The sample is carefully prepared and mounted on the sample holder, ready to come under scrutiny. As the electrons interact with the sample, they scatter in different directions. Some are absorbed, others pass through, and some are deflected. This dance of the electrons creates a pattern, a shadow of the sample. This pattern is then captured by the detector. Different types of detectors, such as a scintillation screen or a CCD camera, convert these electron patterns into a visible image. Various imaging techniques and modes like bright field and dark field imaging can be used to highlight different features or structures in the sample. High-resolution techniques like high-angle annular dark-field imaging can even give us a view at the atomic level. Imagine being able to see individual atoms. Finally, the image is processed and displayed, revealing the mysteries of the microscopic world. From the complex structures within a cell to the arrangement of atoms in a crystal, electron microscopy allows us to see it all. And voila! Just like that, we're able to observe objects that were once invisible to the naked eye. The power of electron microscopy extends far beyond just viewing tiny objects. This technology has opened up a world of possibilities across diverse fields. In material science, it allows us to see the intricate architecture of substances, helping us to develop stronger and more efficient materials. In the realm of biology, it has revolutionized our comprehension of cells and viruses, giving us a clear view of these tiny building blocks of life that was previously unattainable. But the impact doesn't stop there. The advent of electron microscopy has also been a game-changer in the field of nanotechnology. By enabling us to view and manipulate particles at the nanoscale, it's paving the way for the creation of innovative nanomaterials and nanodevices that hold the potential to transform various sectors, from medicine to electronics. So, there you have it. Electron microscopy, a window into the unseen world, revealing secrets that are as fascinating as they are crucial to our understanding of life and the world around us.